Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive. Good morning, whales out there. So hopefully all the whales out there, you guys are taking a rest and taking a sleep. And all the market makers out there, hopefully we can see that you guys are taking a rest as well, because we can see all the leverage traders have gone to sleep, and they're not leverage traded and not reckoning for all of us who are spot trading out there. So that's pretty good. So as we walk through the jungle, as we walk through the unknown, we're seeing that we're seeing that the cryptocurrencies are primarily green, but it's just slightly green. So before we get into that, I just want to thank everybody out there and wish everybody out there happy, beautiful, wonderful, fantastic, loving, happy Easter, guys. And Easter Sunday is just around the corner, guys, and it's a Saturday here in Vietnam. It's been a hot and humid day here. It's been like 32 degrees Celsius, and the sun is out, guys. It's out, and the summertime is coming, and it's gonna be like 38 degrees soon. Oh, wow, it's gonna be burning hot. So we got lots to talk about. Remember, none of this is financial advice, and crypto land is a real jungle out there. Crypto is a jungle out there, so watch out. And I'm not a licensed financial advisor, so we're gonna talk about we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is painting higher lows, so that is pretty good news, and that's pretty important, because if we continue on that, we could see a huge trajectory to the upside. It doesn't feel like it right now, because you can see that the market makers are just walking through the jungles and driving us all crazy out there, because we're not going up, we're not going down, we're just being really range bound, and we're going to talk about why that's happening. Also, too, we're going to talk about why Luna Tuna is going down, down, and Luna should be going up because of all Dogecoin buying all the biddy out there and shoring up his UST stable coin out there. So we're going to talk about that. Also, it looks like Charles Hoskinson from Cardano Foundation has reached out to Elon Musk and said, look, if you buy Twitter, we can help you put it and build it on a decentralized platform. So that's pretty good. Web3 for Twitter, that might be good, and, reduce the censorship out there. So, I hope that Elon Musk can definitely buy Twitter, because that's going to send the Twitter share price uppity up. So actually, I've been thinking about buying some Twitter stock. It's not financial advice, just in case they do. But we see that the Twitter twits over there, the shareholders are looking at doing the poison pill strategy, where they basically dump the price, and they reduce their liquidity by moving shares to other people, guys. So it makes it much harder for the Musker to buy up more shares and take a majority position out there. So without further delay, let's jump into content, guys. I've been talking too much, but I just want to say God bless all of the members, all of the people out there. Much love in the house. So right now, this is from TA, analyst in the house, and what he's saying is that the Bitcoin fundamentals, we're seeing higher highs, guys, right now. So higher highs are pretty good. It means that we're going in the right direction. If we have higher highs and higher lows, that means that the itty bitty baby is going to be going uppity up. So that's what we want to see. That's what you want to see. That's what we need to see out there. It doesn't feel like it right now. It just feels like everything is going down, down. But in fact, if you look at it, we're not going down, down. We're actually forming higher lows, and that's what we want. That's what you want. But the price action is very narrow ranged out there. So this is from Documenting Bitcoin in the House, and it says, at this pace, soon enough, more Americans will hold Bitcoin than stocks and bonds. So, this kind of came out and says 1 in 5 adults have invested in, traded, or used cryptocurrency, the new poll shows. So it looks like 40% of black Americans said they have traded or used crypto, while 42% of all people between 18 and 34 years have said the same thing. So it looks like that, the 1 in 5 adults are getting into the crypto sphere. And, as we have more of Joe Public and Joe Nancy out there aping into the crypto, that's just going to move more liquidity into the crypto markets, and that's going to make the prices go boom, chakalaka, guys. Hopefully I didn't scare the kids with that one. And, we can see that, I keep telling you time and time again that, the amount of Bitcoin on exchanges is flowing off exchanges like crazy. And we've never seen the lack of Bitcoin on exchanges. The supply is so low that, something's got to give. And we're seeing that the number of unspent Bitcoin in, but Bitcoin has been held for a year unspent, which is the same thing. Is it's increasing, guys. It's just moving uppity up in terms of that. And we're seeing that the amount of illiquid, that means that Bitcoin that's not moving, is going up, and exchanges are running out of crypto. Not running out of crypto, but they're running out of Bitcoin out there. And, as time goes on and the demand increases, we're going to see that the price of Bitcoin is just going to go uppity up, guys. And a lot of you are going to be crying and running to the hills, and you guys are going to be remembering the days when cryptocurrency and Bitcoin was at $40,000, and you guys are going to be saying, in 2025, OMG, I should have bought Bitcoin when it said $48,000, because now it's at $500,000. You guys missed the boat, guys. And once that big bitty baby boat leaves the dock, it ain't coming back, guys. So this ain't financial advice, but you guys definitely want to be looking at Bitcoin, definitely want to be looking at cryptocurrency. Don't forget, if the diversification out there is going to be key for success, guys. And you guys can see, I can smell the volatility. Probably next week we're going to see a lot of volatility out there, guys, and we're going to see some market fluctuations and this and that. But don't panic. Volatility is not the enemy. The volatility is often will shake out the paper hands, guys. And the weak Nancy is going to wet the bed, guys. To wet the bed. And with the strong holders, the diamond handers are like you and me, the long-term hodlers, the ones that are waiting for life-changing wealth and will have life-changing wealth. It will come to pass. It will come to pass. It will happen. You just got to have patience in the house, guys, and you got to have patience. And if you got patience, you will be rewarded. We will be rewarded in 2025 for sure, because I'm predicting that we're going to see the itty, the bitty, the baby is going to be like 500,000. We could be seeing, who knows, guys? We could be seeing like a $25,000 Ethereum or more. And, Dogecoin could be like at that time, like $2 to $3, guys. So, just hodl, guys. And, Luna Tuna could be like a $500. And it's just going to be just crazy good. Crazy. It's going to be crazy good, guys. It's going to be crazy good. It's going to be like waking up in a dream, a field of dreams, guys. So it looks like this is from Income Sharks in the house. And he's saying BTC still looking bullish on the daily. Don't overtrade this weekend, guys. And, just keep calm, guys. We're going to see some volatility. Price action still holding up nicely, trending upwards for the bitty, guys. So, guys, don't overtrade. Don't panic. There will be some volatility next week. And, typically April has been usually a pretty good month for cryptocurrency. But this month, so far, we're still not at the end of April yet. It's been a bit of a turn out there. So I don't know if I can say that, but you know what I'm talking about. It's been a poopish matter coin out there. It's a poopish matter. So we're seeing that also from Rick Capital in the house, and he's also confirming we're seeing higher lows still intact, guys. And if we're seeing the higher lows, and you can see this trend line, this trendy Wendy line here, and let the trendy Wendy line, this green line, what's happening is, even though we have the highs and we have the lows, but the trend is going up, and that means that we're having higher lows. And when we have that, it means it's a bullish trend to the upside, guys, overall. So guys and gals, Terra's been going down, down. So I kind of found out why it's going down right now. So a bulk of the token, the bulk of the Luna Tuna losses stem from a donation of 10 million Luna tokens from the Luna Foundation. So they have a whole bunch of Luna in reserve, and the donation was made by the lead Terra developer from Terra Labs and intended to be deployed towards bolstering the LFG, which is a Luna Foundation Guard stablecoin reserve. So they wanted to kind of prop it up. So the LFG reserves, which back the stablecoin UST, are worth about $2.45 billion, of which nearly 7% of it is Bitcoin. The community recently applied the Luna donation towards buying more BTC reserves. So basically, they donated 10 million, right? And then they converted and they bought BTC. But the 10 million tokens were also from Terra Luna's non-circulating supply. So there was a whole bunch of Terra that was dumped on the market, and you can see here that Luna has been criticized over the fact that its non-circulating supply held by Terraformer Labs is far more than the token's circulating supply. So you can see right now that this is from Terra data, and they're saying there shows that 383 million Luna tokens are locked compared to 358 million in circulation. So what that means, ladies and gentlemen, guys and gals, is that if suddenly Luna dumped all of these non-circulating Luna Tuna coins, tokens onto the open market, the price of Luna would go down because it would be diluted. So that is why we saw Luna go down, because they added 10 million Luna tokens out there. And what that did is it diluted the total amount of supply and circulation. And that is why Luna the tuna is going down, down, down. So that's it, guys. That is the nail on the head that is proven why Luna tuna has gone down. So I didn't know that. So will Elon Musk accept Cardano founder's offer to build a decentralized Twitter? So who knows? But Charles in the house, he kind of said, "Hey, Elon, if you want to build a decentralized Twitter, hit me up there. Hit me up." The Charles in the house is kind of waiting in the wings to see if the Elonsky is going to do that. So let's see if the Elonsky is going to do that and call the Charles. Maybe they become good friends over there. So right now we're also seeing that if we take a look at the heat map analysis, we're seeing that BTC right now is at 40,448, and that's up very slightly. We were at 0.6% in my previous video, so it's going up. It's almost neutral. I mean, if it's not even 1%, I mean, can we call that neutral? Would you agree we could call that neutral? Don't forget to smash the likes, boop the likes, guys. Show some love, and don't forget to give super chats, guys. Super chats are welcome, are needed, and get it. Show me the money, guys, and you're gonna love it. So if you take a look at the price of Dogecoin right now, so Dogecoin right now is at 1440 in the house, and it's following my upward trending line, and we're seeing that Doge is basically making higher lows, guys. Sure, I mean, we can say that this candle and that candle is not a higher low, but overall the trend, the Wendy trendy is your friendly, and we're seeing higher lows on average. Okay, so don't beat me up. All of those guys that are super like narcissistic and just like to pick everything apart, say, "Hey, OG, I can see one or two candles that are not forming higher lows, so what are you talking about?" You're invalidating your own statements. Come on, guys, wake up. Don't be so tough on the OG. Don't be so tough. It's Saturday. It's Easter, guys. Show some love, show some respect, and be blessed out there. So if we look at the into the block right now, let me give this a minty refresh again. Be blessed, guys. We're seeing that it is a huge Easter weekend. So we're still seeing that Doja Wozier is at 14.4, and it's slightly down 1.2%, but we're still seeing 59% are in the money, and 35% are out, guys. And that's not too bad. So let's take a look at the itty bitty baby. So the itty bitty baby on the daily is at $40,438. Let's just take that to 4-hour chart, and let me show you something. So you can see here that on the 4-hour, definitely we're making higher lows, and that's where we want to go. OG singing, I'm in a good mood, guys. It's Easter, it's Saturday night, and I'm in a good mood. So we're seeing that Bitcoin is making higher lows, and the trajectory of the trend is looking very good. And if we can continue in this general direction, we should be getting ourselves up to $42,000 in a house. Pretty lickety-splitty out there. So on the weekly, we can still see that the Bitcoin weekly candle, we got 1 day and 10 hours left on this candle. Definitely, it's going to be going red. And we're still in our horizontal channel. There's like a green box in the house. And it's, got a top side of 42.2 and a bottom side of around about $38,000. So we're just kind of being in the middle of this channel. So I know it's kind of boring. It's kind of like, what's going on with crypto? Come on, crypto, make a move. Yeah, sometimes I get tired, but, we have the minor capitulation line right there. So, we're so far away from that. The miners are not selling, except F2 Pool out there. You naughty guys out there, you dumped a whole bunch of Bitcoin on us just before the Miami conference. And that, said about everything going down. So right now we're still seeing that Ethereum is being pretty lucky, and we're still above our $3,000 support level in the house. So that's pretty good for Ethereum, guys. So that's fantastical in the house. So, Ethereum is not going to move until the itty bitty baby moves. And if we take a look at ADA Cardano in the house, Cardano is also painting higher lows and following my upper channel line exactly as as OG predicted, guys. So, can we get to $1? Yes, we'll get there. I mean, it's taking its time, but it's definitely going to be getting up there sooner than later. But I still think that this is not financial advice. This is absolutely not financial advice. Do your own risk management. But definitely, still think that ADA is a pretty good steal at anything below a buck, guys, in the house. So let's take a look at this. Take a look at the Phantom in the house. So Phantom right now is just going sideways. It's at $1.16 right now. And really nothing much to say. We got some support at $1. We got resistance at $1.36. So we're just kind of like midway now, in between $1 and $1.36. Boring. Phantom is extremely boring right now. But, you could still pick some up. Long term, Phantom is a good play. It's a very nice play. I mean, we have come down from when we were like $1.67, but I think overall Phantom is a very good play out there. So my Solana, get some Solana today. So Solana's above $100 and it's at $102 in the house, guys. So it's being supported. This actually $100 support line has been a very, very, very strong support. Even though Biddy's been going down and down and up and down and down and ping pong, we still see that ADA is being supported by this $100 line. So that's pretty good. Let's take a look at the leverage. Apes and out. To apers. So we're seeing that there's almost no action on the leverage trade. It's only like 38 million in the house. And we're seeing that it's only 13,000 traders got wrecked. So I guess some leverage traders are like, they can't help themselves. It's like, let's make some money on Easter. Not losing a ton. So we're seeing right now that the shorts on the 24-hour basis is at 60%, and the balances of longs at 40. So this is kind of a nothing burger, and that's why there's no real volumes in terms of leverage traders. That's why we're not seeing any kind of real momentum for the Biddy. We're not seeing any short squeeze action going on because there's just no volume. There's just no volume. So that's why we're seeing that the itty bitty baby. There's just no volume, guys. There's absolutely no volume out there. It's a kind of like nothing burger out there. So right now we're seeing that the market cap is kind of unchanged at 1.92 trillion. We're seeing that the volumes are like almost like nothing, 32.35 billion. What's that? We're seeing the Bitcoin dollars is also it's the same as well, guys and gals. So it's kind of just weird and wacky. Sure, it's happy to see that Biddy's in the green slightly. Ethereum is in the green slightly. We're seeing XRP is up. Almost 1%. We're seeing, Solana, thank goodness, is up 1.67%. We're seeing Luna Tuna is coming back after they dumped $10 million worth of Luna Tuna in circulation, and that reduced that diluted it a little bit, and that's why we had that down. We're seeing the Avalanche, Wanchi is up 3.11%, with Doja Wozer's down. Dottie Watt's up. We're seeing the SHIB is up right now. So come on, Doge, you can't let the SHIB, we're seeing Matic is up. So things are starting to turn green, but it's just like really slow, guys. It's really slow. So with that being said, that's going to bring this video to a close. Don't forget to go and follow me on Twitter. Don't forget to go down, boop that like, subscribe, BYB, super chats would be appreciated, and comment up a storm, feed that algorithm. Don't forget to check out all the links, guys. None of this is financial advice, you know that. And don't forget to get the merch, get the merch. And guys, I just want to say God bless each and every one of you out there. I love it. Remember, crypto is a jungle out there. When you walk through the crypto jungle, make sure that you're safe, make sure that you're careful, and remember, do your own research, choose your own path, guys, and never choose another path that's been told to you by an influencer or anyone out there. Only trust yourself, because you've only got yourself to blame if you do anything wrong, right? So don't trust anyone, trust yourself, do your own research, check out who owns a project and all that kind of stuff. That's going to be cool, and that's kind of going to be cool beans. So guys, remember, never into any projects that's younger than 2 years. There's lots of rug pulls out there. There's a lot of chuckleheads out there who will rug pull and take your cashy washes. So watch out, guys. Absolutely watch out. So I just want to say in closing that have a happy Easter. Godspeed. Enjoy. Be with the family. Love the kids. Love the world. Love the community. Be blessed, guys. And remember, without you, this channel wouldn't be possible. So I just want to say God bless each and everyone. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. I do appreciate each and every one of you out there. You, and you. I appreciate it. Happy Easter. I'll see you in the next one. This is the Ric Flair of crypto in the house. Woo! The Ice Baby of crypto coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Be well. Be blessed.